President said he will not sign a budget that is not fully aligned with the NEP. Does that mean the House cannot
I will not allow a budget on the floor to pass that is a mutation of the NEP or that is become too far off from the NEP. As majority leader, I won't allow that.
Well, hindi ko ba yung pag-approach sa power ng Congress?
Well, it's the prerogative of the House to pull from certain agencies that haven't been utilizing their funds. Nakita mo naman ang tawag dyan, utilization rate. Ibig sabihin, binigay ka ng 10 pesos. Kung 5 pesos lang ginamit mo sa isang taon, edi ba't ka namin bibigyan ng 10 pesos na naman kung hindi mo lang igagastos? Ilagay na lang namin sa ibang ahensya na may kaya na gumastos ng ganong klaseng pondo. So it's the prerogative of the House to do that. It's part of the checks and balances of the branches of government. But again, if there is a tendency in which it's taken too far, which the president thinks happened last year, that was his logic, and that's what he was alluding to when he said he wasn't scared to reenact the budget. Because sa tingin naman ng Pangulo, sumobra naman last year. So I won't allow that.